Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can synchronize your font size and color in each slide automatically by utilizing the slide master. If the number of slides are more, so it will be difficult to go each slide and edit or modify the text or the font color or size. So how you can synchronize your slide, it is very easy. First of all, you have to understand the layouts of the built-in in the PowerPoint, which are, for example, if you want to add any slide here and you have to go to here in a new slide, so you will see there are different layouts. They are also available here. There are different layouts like title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, and so on. So to explain you how you can utilize these slides and how you can apply changes on a specific slide or on all slides together. So I add few slides like title slide, title and content slide, to content slide, comparison slide, and last blank slide. So for example, I want to apply a few changes on each slide. So for this, you have to go to the view tab. You have to press master slide option, and you see here the first slide is a master slide. When you keep your mouse on any specific slide, it will show the name of the slide under your cursor, like it is the title slide layout, it is the title and content slide layout, it is the section header layout, and so on. So if you want to apply changes on each slide, for example, I want to fix the page number location and its size and its color. For example, I am making it shorter, I am making it bold, dark black in color, and a slightly like 14 in size. For the date as well, I am keeping it at the left bottom corner, dark black, bold, 14 in size, and I want to also stretch the footnote area. So I want it from here till here, and I want it black as well, bold, and 14, and I need this in gray color, like dark gray. And I need the title of each slide should be red in color and bold, and the font should be like anything you like Calibri or Arial black. And here it should be black or blue. Blue is visible, more visible compared to other, and like this one. I don't like this, so I'm changing now, like on the list. So once I'm done with all the changes, or maybe I need logos here, so I will go in shape. Here I will add, for example, these are your logo, your company logo, or any logo you want to add here. Usually people add the company logo and the logo of that company to whom they are going to present. So I need here two logo. So once you are done, go to master slide and close. Don't forget to close this master view. Once you close it, you will see the changes apply on each slide. But sometimes it look awkward because few things you need only on the title slide, and the other slide you want to keep them simple. So what you need to do, first of all, I want to show here the date, footer, and the page number. Go to insert, go here in this tab, footer and header and footer, sorry, and check the date, slide number, footer, and you have to add here footer. For example, title of my presentation. Usually people add here title of the presentation. If you want to apply these changes on all slides, you have to apply here, or if you want on only on your title slide, apply. So I want on all of my slides. You see the title and in the footer, date and page number on each slide. But I want to remove the logos on each slide, and I want to only keep on the title slide. How I can do this? Go to view tab, masters master view. So from master slide, I will cut it and I will paste it on the title slide only. Same goes with this logo. And once I'm done, I will have to close the master layer view tab. So you see, to apply changes on a specific slide, you have to understand which layout you have to modify. For example, the last thing I'm going to show you, whenever I want to add a comparison slide, it should look different. How I can do this? For example, this one is a comparison slide. I will go here in view tab, press here master layer view, and I will click here on the comparison slide. Now whenever comparison slide appear or I add another comparison slide, it should look different. For example, the background color should look gray or any other color you want. For example, you have to go here format and you can change the color from here. And for example, that's it. So close it and you see this slide looks different because I only applied or modified this slide. Whenever I add another layout of comparison slide, it looks similar or different from the other slide because it is a comparison slide. So you see here, whenever I add title slide, it will keep these changes. One more thing I would like to add here, because the idea of this video I get it from one of my friend. He was struggling removing the background picture of a presentation. So actually how we insert the picture that nobody can remove, or I want to keep this picture on my all of the slide or any of the slide or only on the title of the slide. For example, if I want to add here a picture and I don't want it to get disturbed when I'm adding text here, so how I can do this? Go to the view slide. For example, on the title slide, I only wanted to add the picture on the title slide. I will go here, insert picture from this device. I will select, for example, this picture. For example, I need to spread it on my slide. I don't want these white colors. So the easy way is to just transparent the picture, increase the size a little bit so it touch on any of the two sides, and the other sides you just whatever the area you want to keep it, and the other side you can crop easily. So once you are done, click anywhere or remove the transparency of the picture by clicking here on a picture format. Go to transparency, remove transparency, send this picture to the back of the layer. And if you see you cannot view the text, you can change the text color as well to the white and black, this one. Once you are done, don't forget to close the master view. So you see the title slide. Now you cannot move the picture, it's because you modify the layout. So and similarly, if you want to remove this picture, you have to go to here, master slide, and then just simply delete and close the master view. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.